Hello friends, welcome to Sharon's Topsy Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine watching my videos. Friends, today I am making chicken curry. So today I am going to fry the chicken first. You can see I washed up the chicken. I put salt and some saffron in the chicken, and then in the oil I am frying it. First I'll fry this out and take it out and then make the recipe. I hope you all will like it. So I'll let this fry. Friends, I fried up the chicken, you can see. Now I will start the recipe. In the same oil I will make the curry. Ready? Friends, now to make the chicken curry I will use, this is 2 green chilies, this is ginger garlic which I am going to grind, make it into a paste, and some dhania patti I will put in. So this I will make into a paste. Today I am going to make the chicken curry with the powder masala. Dhania powder, jeera powder, all this powder I will use for the chicken curry. Friends, in the same oil now I am going to make the chicken curry. This is the onions which I have put in. Friends, this is the bay leaves, this I have put in. This is the garam masala, this also I have put in. Now I will let the onions turn brown. Friends, you can see the onions has gone golden brown. I have chopped up some tomatoes, this I will put in. Put the salt. I will let the tomatoes fry a bit and then use the masalas.
Go.
Friends, you can see the tomatoes all mashed up nicely. Now goes the ginger garlic, green chili and dhania patti paste. Then goes the onion paste. I will let all this fry now and then use all the powder masala. Friends, use ginger garlic, onion paste and green chilies all mixed up. This has gone brown. Now goes in the fried chicken. Friends, I'll put in the chicken now. Now with this I will put all the powder masala one by one. I will show you now. This is the turmeric powder. This is the red chili powder. I have put little because I have already put in green chili. This is the jeera powder. This is the dhania powder. This is the Kashmiri mirch powder. This is the garam masala powder. This is the meat masala. Today I am using meat masala, not chicken masala. Now all this I will fry with the chicken. So at least 1 minute I will fry them. Friends, you can see the chicken and the masala is all fried up. Now I will put some water and let it cook. I will cover it up. And let the curry cook. Friends, this is the chicken curry today I have made. Very new style. I hope you all will like it. I used all powder masalas. If you are new to my channel, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching my video.